Hello friends, welcome to the Python Bootcamp for Beginners. This Python tutorial is especially designed for students and professionals who want to learn Python but don't have a prior programming experience. To make it easier to understand, I have divided the entire course content into two modules. Module 1 will cover the basics of Python with a major focus on foundation and theory part. And Module 2 will cover a bit more about advanced concepts and will have a lot of working sessions and practical exercises. So let's first go through the course outline of Module 1. So friends, as you have seen, there are a total of 13 chapters in Module 1. I have tried to cover all the important points in these chapters under different sections. They cover theoretical aspects along with working with actual code in Jupyter Notebook. Believe me, my friends, once you enter into the world of Python, you will be stunned by its simplicity and its potential. Just be with me in this entire journey, and by the end of this series, you should quite be knowing all the basics of Python. In order to make the learning more intuitive and more engaging, I have also added quizzes at the end of each section, and I would really urge you to take all these self-evaluation quizzes as they come along your way. With that, let's get started with the course. All the best.